softly like the summer, gentle like the rain. And if you don't believe me, you can make up your own mind. And if we're not looking for the answers, doesn't matter what we find. With the sky so blue and so empty, I've been thankful for the clouds. And I didn't know that I was alone till I met you in the crowd. What makes me stay and tells me it's time to go? Just sweetly sway beside me, let the rivers flow. With the branches all waltzing, breaking up the light, the music lasts forever as it drips off into the night. Moon on the water, illusions will all pass. Just like my joys and my sorrows, nothing ever lasts. When the beautiful songs are over, it haunts my memories. I look back to the paths I've traveled and the choices offered me.